how to reset Pinterest feed. So if you want to reset your Pinterest feed, then first open up your Pinterest application, and after that you can log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for settings, which is on the upper right. And here you can again tap on settings, and under settings you will have home feed tuner. Tap on that, and here you will have your pins, your interests, your boards, and your followings. So what you can do is to reset your Pinterest feed, you need to simply go for pins, and here, so if you are following someone, then you can simply tap on unfollow, and you can go for your history if you have the history, and under your history you can turn off the pin. And after turning off, here under the interest, you can choose some more interests. You can tap on add topics, and then you can add some topics by simply tapping on that plus icon. And after adding, you can go back, go for pins, and here you can simply turn off any pin that you have turned on. So after doing all of that, you can refresh your feed. You can simply go back and remove that from your background, and you can go for settings on your device and scroll down and go for apps and go for Pinterest. Open up your Pinterest on your settings. Go for storage and cache. Go for clear cache so that your feed will be refreshed. Now remove that, and that's it. You can open up your Pinterest and your feed will be refreshed or reset. So that's it. That's how you reset your Pinterest feed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.